In today's video, I'm sharing with you French toast breakfast ideas for kids that's very easy to make, and trust me, your kids are going to fall in love with this recipe. Let's get started. So you need a white bread for this recipe. Go ahead and divide it into two and then use a rolling pin to roll it. You want it very thin, so try your best as much as possible to make it thin as seen in the video and keep it aside. That's what you're looking for. Now let's move to the egg wash. Add 2 eggs to a bowl, add in a pinch of salt, sugar and milk. Stir till well combined and keep it aside. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredient that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So for the fruits, I'm going in with strawberry, banana and apple. You can use any fruit of your choice. Go ahead and slice your fruit as demonstrated in the video. For the apple, peel the skin, divide it into two, take out the core and cut it into smaller pieces as seen in the video as well. When done, transfer it in the bowl, add in sugar and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Stir till well combined and keep that one aside as well. So this is what you're looking for and keep it aside. So to spread, or for spreading, I'll use crunchy peanut butter, Nutella and fresh cream. So first thing is to bring one of the bread and then spread the peanut butter, the crunchy peanut butter on it, and then go in with the banana and roll it as seen in the video. It's very simple, easy. Your kids, you can even involve your kids in it and then they're going to help you throughout. Like I said, you can use any fruit of your choice, but the banana and the crunchy peanuts, oh mama mia, it was delicious. It was always very delicious, but my favorite was with the banana and the crunchy peanuts. So the next one was the apple and then the bread. The apple, I didn't use anything, it was only apple, and then I rolled it out. So for the Nutella, just spread the Nutella and then add in your strawberries and then roll it as seen in the video. It's very simple, easy, and trust me, it's delicious. So this one like this, I did 2 fresh cream and Nutella with the banana and then I roll it up. So you can do any fruit of your choice. When done, go ahead and put it in the egg wash, bring it to your pan, add in about teaspoon of butter, spread it, make sure you brush it to spread it well, and then transfer the rolled bread in it and you're good to go. Just toast them in the pan until they are golden brown, and this is ready. So as you can tell from the video, it's very simple to make, great idea for breakfast, and trust me, your kids are going to love it. It was delicious, super delicious, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, follow my page if you are not following. See you in my next video. Today, bye.